They laughed at him for decades. Then God shut the door. For years, Noah built an ark while the world watched. No storms, no oceans nearby, just wood, silence, and a warning no one believed. People mocked him. They called him crazy. Noah warned them. God's judgment was coming, but no one listened. The ark kept rising. Every strike of the hammer was a warning. Then the command came. Animals entered, and Noah's family followed. And when everything was ready, God shut the door. Not Noah, God. Then the rain began, but inside the ark, the real test was only beginning. Reply, tell me more to uncover what happened next.